In this video, we're going to be making a beef rib and mac and cheese sandwich using some leftover barbecue. Oh, what's leftover barbecue? So here I've got our beef rib. This is vac sealed and frozen solid. This one's left over from our cowboy butter beef rib video, so if you haven't seen that one, definitely check it out. But all I'm going to do is drop this into a pot of water, and then we'll turn our burner on. Then you just want to bring that water up to a simmer, and that'll take around 30 to 40 minutes until it's reheated all the way through. Or if the beef rib was thawed out first, it would only take around 15 to 20 minutes. So we're going to let that reheat, and then we'll come back to make this easy mac and cheese. All right, so our beef rib has reheated through, so all I'm going to do is just move our pot aside. Then I'm going to get another pot on low to medium heat. And to our pot for our mac and cheese, we're going to gently bring up to a simmer 2 cups of milk. And while our milk's coming up to a simmer, I'm going to grate 100 grams of cheddar and 100 grams of gruyere cheese. But if you've got another favorite cheese you like in your mac and cheese, feel free to add that. Then once your milk's simmering, you want to add 1.5 cups of elbow pasta. You want to add just enough so the milk just covers the pasta. Then cook your pasta until it's tender, stirring often. Then once your pasta's cooked, turn off the heat. You want to add 1 tablespoon of butter, mix that in, and then gradually add your cheeses. Keep adding your cheeses while stirring through until you get the right consistency. Then you can season your mac and cheese with salt and pepper to taste, but I'm going to add a little bit of garlic cloves instead. Then all I'm going to do in a toasted bun is add a layer of our mac and cheese, followed by our beef rib. Then I'll put our top bun on and try sliding that beef rib bone out without making a mess. It's definitely not healthy, but that is super tasty. Well, there you have it. There's a quick and easy way to use up some leftover barbecue and a quick and easy mac and cheese recipe too. I reckon I'm going to go inside and add a drizzle of barbecue sauce. So for now, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments below. I'll put the recipe for the mac and cheese and the cowboy butter beef rib video down in the description for you. But for now, that's it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.